Okay, good morning, y'all. I figured I would do a bunch of little mini series and blog. So one, if y'all saw my video, I don't know how long ago, because I don't know when I'm going to post this actual video. And y'all know I got stung by a wasp twice in the eye. So don't be in my comments asking me nothing crazy. My sister was actually telling me how she did keto. Now, I'm currently doing intermittent fasting. And at this point, I've lost 12 pounds just from doing intermittent fasting. And I kind of done like hit a plateau. So I'm starting a keto diet today, which I'll actually kind of show you guys like what I'm going to be eating, stuff like that. Like especially for today, I'll film it all and show y'all. So I just want to really quickly show y'all kind of where my body is and everything, and this just will help me keep a transformation as well as to what I'm looking like. So typically I would show y'all this in panties and ouch, I have a freaking cramp in my arch in panties and drawers, but this is what I have on for right now. So I'll take off the shirt. Yes, I wear granny bras when I go running, so y'all don't get crazy. So this is just kind of where I'm at, loose skin and all. This is what I have. Okay, so this is me from the front, right side. Y'all get to see all of this. Alright, that's my side. My husband filming, so if it's not coming out right, and that's why. This is my back. I guess this is my full back, full side, full tummy. So, remember that, because that's where I'm at. We'll be looking for transformations, and I'll just basically put on the same thing when I do my first update. So anyways, I'm about to go and wash my face, brush my teeth, get out here and go run. And then my intermittent fasting I do from 12 to 6. School is about to start, so I might have days where I alternate and do like 8 to 3 and then 12 to 6. But that's typically my intermittent fasting schedule. Yeah, I was down to 223, but my daughter had a birthday yesterday, believe it or not. So this morning I said I'm weighing 226, but I'm sure after a good poop and all of that, I'd be back to 223. So anyways, let me go do what I gotta do. Okay, what's up, y'all? I don't have my little stand, so I guess I'll just hold it real quick. And I don't have my mic plugged in either. So I am on day 3 of my keto. I was already doing intermittent fasting for at least about a month. And I actually lost about 12 pounds, and I gained a couple back, and I went up to losing about 5, 6. Shit, I can't remember. I have to look at the paper. But all I know is in total, even now the 3 days that I've been doing keto, I am down 14.8 pounds. So that's a good thing, number one. Number two, keto for me is like a little different, which I'm going to probably do a separate video explaining keto without a gallbladder. Because if y'all didn't know, my gallbladder was removed after I had my first child. And my body just does differently. So putting all these fats into my body has caused me a lot of diarrhea. And then currently right now, I really think I have what is considered keto flu, because I get really dizzy and lightheaded with this diet. And even though it's day 3, like I consistently feel hungry. And I'm not even much, like I was already a person who was very moderate with what I would eat, should I say. So it's not because I'm not eating enough. Like I'm actually taking in because I exercise. Like today, I was advised to eat 1,700 calories. So out of that, I think I have like 300 calories left to eat. So it's definitely not that. It's just the transition of, you know, swapping out the carbs and the fat and the sugars and all that. So I think that's kind of like where I'm at with that. As far as not having a gallbladder to break down, you know, the bio and all of those things, I think it's just like I've had to slowly introduce the fats into my diet, because once you have your gallbladder removed, that is a complete lifestyle change. Anytime you eat any fat, it's instantly, for me, anything I eat that has fat, instantly within 5 to 10 minutes I have to go to the restroom. So I typically do a lot of fiber and stuff like that, since I don't have a gallbladder. So with this diet, it's a bunch of fat, like literally, even though it's healthy fats, it's a bunch of fat. So that's a big difference for me. But I guess I just wanted to come on really quickly because I'm going to try to lay down. I still run every morning. I still do everything like that. Today when I weighed in, I was 223.8. So from 238 to 223.8, that's currently where I'm at. But yes, I'm currently experiencing dizziness, like just real lightheaded dizziness, all that. So I'm fatigued. So I'm going to lay down, take a nap, and see if that works. I saw a doctor that suggested if you suffer with the lightheadedness and the dizziness, that you add like a pinch of, or an eighth a teaspoon of sea salt to your water, and to take B5 vitamins. So I'm gonna actually look into that. I have sea salt in the house because I drink 2 liters of water a day. I actually have put some electrolytes in this water, and vitamins in this water, so that's why this one is kind of like orange. But he said even if you don't put the sea salt, it's still kind of like you're flushing out your body. So we're gonna see. Other than that, I'm okay. Like when I start off the day, I feel energized and everything because I am doing my intermittent fasting. I eat between 12 to 6. Actually today I've pretty much ate all 3 of my meals and it's only 4 o'clock, so I might just grab a snack or something to end off this day. So anyways, all right y'all, that's enough. Hey Gems, it's your girl Stylist Raven here. Thanks for watching my video today. Make sure you check out my previous video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you're new to my channel, become fam, click subscribe, and follow me on my social networks. Bye!